And what's up, YouTube? Today we have a 2011 Topps Inception football box. It was a Valentine's Day gift from the girlfriend, which I appreciate very much. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the checklist. Okay. Okay, so front. We have a Ray Rice base card, Sam Bradford, a blue Adrian Peterson 209, a Peyton Hillis to 75 green. I don't know if you can see that. And first hit is Taiwan Jones again. Taiwan Jones patch auto, number to 599. My last Inception box, I had a Taiwan Jones autograph and a Taiwan Jones jumbo jersey, and now I get a patch auto from him, number to 599. Okay, second hit is Torrey Smith. Hey, it's pretty good. Torrey Smith patch autograph, number to 75. Let's see. The Taiwan Jones, is it a gold version? I think. I don't know if you can see the gold outlining right here in the top. Could be the gold version, or I don't know. I could be wrong. Torrey Smith again, the 75, and Austin Pellis 3-color patch to 158. That's not a bad box at all. 3 patches. Nice. Again, Taiwan Jones, patch auto, 599. Torrey Smith, patch auto, 75 of 75. And Austin Pettis, 3-color patch to 158. Okay, well, that's it for the 2011 Topps Inception. It was a really good box. Nice gift. And you guys tune in for the next time.